Welcome to the Masterpiece Gliding Patio Door Installation Guide. Masterpiece has over 25 combined years of creative design, research, and development. We manufacture every component of our doors to ensure the highest quality is going to each and every step of production. We offer a lifetime warranty on all of our door products. Masterpiece Gliding Patio Door System design features patented composite frames. Frames and door panels are made of composite material with a smooth exterior and a wood grain interior finish. 4 9/16 inch standard jamb for 2x4 wall construction. Dual weather stripping provides for air and water seal. The stainless steel track reduces friction for years of easy rolling. High performance double low E tempered glass. Water-resistant draining system, flush bolt stopper for security and ventilation. Masterpiece, built to protect year after year. Please read and follow the installation instructions that are attached to the glass panel of each Masterpiece door. You may also download a copy of an installation instruction guide at masterpiecepatiodoor.com. You will need the following tools and materials to succeed.